clean your garden spot of all the old plant debris and the soil gets fairly clear, well, you go back out there in a little while, a day or two or even a week or two, and you've got thousands of tiny little weed seedlings, like all of these right in here. Thousands and thousands. So the easy way to do the weed control, like to take care of those, is just to rake your rake across the soil lightly, and it pulls those little dudes up when they're really small. This only works when they're really small. And then you can do that periodically through the winter, and what you're doing is you're forcing all these weed seeds to come up and then destroying them, so you're going to have less weed seed the next spring that's going to come up in your soil. And to show you the difference this makes, this course was raked, this was not.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.